All right, we have a suite here, 2137 on the 12th floor. As you can see, beautiful room. Beds should have been put together, but we're getting there. And we'll go ahead and start from the beginning. Lots of closet space here. This is one closet, as you can see, life jackets up top. And another set of closets here. Where's your safe? You have your umbrellas up top, hair dryer there, safe, and room for long hanging items. Come over here to the bathroom. This is the Celebrity Reflection, so it is an older ship, but it has been refurbished. As you can see, you have a nice tub here. Shower head, jets, everything you would expect in a suite. And trash can, multiple drawers, 3 mirrors. And then again over here you have a side nightstand, lighting over here. These beds will be pushed together a little bit later, and that nightstand will end up on the other side. You have a nice desk area over here, room for some things, the spa.
Oh, very good.
You can see there are Effie catalogs, spa catalogs. You have a nice lit mirror here. Plenty of drawers. Nice chair. Typically I work on the ships sometimes, so it's nice to have this big desk right here. 2 more drawers over here. Complimentary water. We are in a suite, as I said, so you do have your butler, room attendant, and retreat concierge. And then coming over here, you have a nice large space sofa. They do provide complimentary champagne. And then over here again, more storage space. You do have your mini bar right here, which your butler will keep well stocked for you. Television, more storage space up top. So quite a spacious room. And it's just the 2 of us this time. You can see there are large windows, basically the whole length of the room. And then when you come outside, we are still in port. We are at Port Everglades in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. You come out here, you have a nice little seating area with a table for you to have breakfast, a drink, read a book, or even work outside. And then you do have a nice relaxing area over here with a table. And as you can see, it is a gloomy day in Port Everglades. Very loud as well. But yeah, it is a wonderful room. Highly recommend. Check it out.